Which of the following is a widely accepted international cataloging code? That is Anglo-American Cataloging Rules AACR. AACR 2 was published in which year? 1978. AACR 2 has how many parts? 2. Which cataloging code is designed for use in digital environment? That is RDA, Resource Description and Access. The full form of AACR 2 is Anglo-American Cataloging Rules 2nd edition. Which cataloging code replaces AACR 2? That is RDA. Who published the RDA cataloging code? ALA, CLA and CLIP. ISBD is developed and maintained by IFLA. The purpose of ISBD is to provide a standard for bibliographic description. Which cataloging code use the area structure such as title area, edition area, etc. That is ISBD. The ISBD punctuation mark used to separate parallel titles is semicolon. Sorry, equal to. Mark is not a cataloging code but a metadata format. Which of the following is not a cataloging code? That is mark. Triple C stands for the Classified Catalog Code. Who developed the Classified Catalog Code? That is S.R. Ranganathan. Which edition of Triple C introduced the chain procedure? That is second edition. In AACR 2, rules for non-book materials are included in the chapter 9. The basic difference between Triple C and AACR is CCC follows classified approach, AACR 2 follows dictionary approach. Which cataloging code is based on the Ferber model? That is RDA. Which cataloging code was developed first among the following? That is Triple C in 1934. Thank you.